आपका जा करना था वो आपने किया। You did what you had to do. You did what you had to do. मैं खुद जा सकता हूँ। I can go by myself. I can go by myself. अगली बार सावधान रहे। Be careful next time. Be careful next time. मैं तुमसे हाथ मिलना चाहता हूँ। I wanna shake your hand. I wanna shake your hand. आप जहाँ है वहीं रहो। Everybody stay where you are. Everybody stay where you are. मुझे आज रात देर हो जाएगी। I am gonna be late tonight. I am gonna be late tonight. मुझे लगा कि तुम नहीं आ रही हो। I thought you weren't coming. I thought you weren't coming. मैंने तुम्हें इतना खुश कभी नहीं देखा। I have never seen you this happy. I have never seen you this happy. मुझसे दूर हो जाओ। Get away from me. Get away from me. वो तो सिर्फ स्वप्न ही था। It was just a dream. It was just a dream. मैंने आपको पहले ही सब कुछ बता दिया था। I already told you everything. I already told you everything. मैं आप दोनों की बारे में जानता हूँ। I know about you too. I know about you too. मैं बहुत दबाव में हूँ। I am under a lot of pressure. I am under a lot of pressure. मैं आपको ये देने आया हूँ। I came to give you this. I came to give you this. ये सब तुम्हारा दोष है। This is all your fault. This is all your fault. ये किसी की गलती नहीं थी। It wasn't anybody's fault. It wasn't anybody's fault. मैं तुम्हारी बिना क्या करूँगा? What am I gonna do without you? What am I gonna do without you? मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी करूँगा। I'd do anything for you. I'd do anything for you. मुझे लगा कि आप ये जानता हूँ। I thought you knew that. I thought you knew that. उसका कोई नहीं है। He has no one. He has no one. मुझे परवाह नहीं है कि वो क्या सोचती है। I don't care what she thinks. I don't care what she thinks. इतना हैरान मत दिखो। Don't look so surprised. Don't look so surprised. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जिस पर मैं भरोसा कर सकूं। There's no one I can trust. There's no one I can trust. आप उन्हें कैसे भागने दे सकते थे? How could you let them escape? How could you let them escape? उन्होंने उसके सिर पर वार किया. He hit him on the head. He hit him on the head. उसे मेरी तरफ से ये दे दो. Give her this for me. Give her this for me. जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ. Like I always say. Like I always say. इसे करने से पहले 2 बार सोचे. Think twice before you do it. Think twice before you do it. आपकी कितनी बादशाह है? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? तुम दोनों कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you two going? Where are you two going? हम कहीं नहीं जा रही है. We are going now here. We are going now here. आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? मुझे अब अच्छा लग रही है. I am feeling good now. I am feeling good now. क्या वहाँ कोई और था? Was there anybody else there? Was there anybody else there? नहीं, हम तीनों ही थी. No, it was just the three of us. No, it was just the three of us. आप फिर कब मिलेंगी? When will you meet again? When will you meet again? मैं जल्दी ही आपसे मिलूंगा. I will meet you soon. I will meet you soon. आप कब से यह काम कर रहे हैं? How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here?